Good evening, Joey. It's been a while. My records show that you've been binge watching and playing PlayStation a lot. Like a lot. Also, your biometrics suggest that you should do more sports and eat much less ice cream. Anyways, let me bring you up to speed on what's happening in the outside world. Here is your local update. Initializing the latest impressions from Chicago, Illinois.
We still have a long way to go in this pandemic. In the last 24 hours, there have been 106,000 cases reported to WHO, the most in a single day since the outbreak began.
Hundreds of protesters, some armed with guns, entered Michigan State Capitol in Lansing on Thursday, objecting to Democratic Governor Gretchen Whitmer's request to extend emergency powers to combat COVID-19.
Going to a party now during this pandemic while Chicagoans are still dying every day is a height of foolishness.
But in good news, it has been particularly impressive to see how countries like the Republic of Korea have built on their experience of MERS to quickly implement a comprehensive strategy to find, isolate, test, and care.
The German Bundesliga is set to resume play tomorrow, making it the first major European football league to do so.
We are by no means out of the woods. The virus is still causing sickness and taking lives, but directionally things are getting better. And because of these advances, we are able to make some modifications to allow more activity during phase 3 of our reopening plan.
Actions are going to make a difference between whether or not we get out sooner or later, whether or not we have a summer or we do not.
People without symptoms play a bigger role in spreading COVID-19.
And that even those who eventually become pre-symptomatic can transmit the virus to others before they show symptoms.
When an infected person speaks, exhales, coughs, or sneezes, the droplets travel about 3 to 6 feet before gravity pulls them to the ground.
In light of this new evidence, CDC recommends wearing cloth face coverings in public settings. It's critical to emphasize that maintaining 6 feet of social distancing remains key to slowing the spread of the virus.
What it does more than anything else is protect other people from yourself if you are carrying the virus. And what this means is that if I get on a train and I'm not wearing a mask, I'm benefiting from the fact that everybody else is wearing a mask.
I wear a mask for Chicago and my neighbors.
I wear the mask for essential workers.
I wear a mask for my health.
I wear a mask to protect the rest of my friends.
I wear a mask for the elderly.
I wear a mask for safety.
I wear a mask for everyone else because I'm a nurse and I don't want to spread the disease to anyone else.
I wear a mask for the safety of the future of our generation.
I wear a mask for my friends and family.
I wear a mask for myself.
For my loved one.
For the whole community.
The safety of others.
For my parents.
And for my mother, who's elderly.
For my family, to keep them safe and keep them from getting this virus and having it spread even more throughout my family.
I wear a mask for Chicago.
And you should wear a mask too.
It's not that big a deal. It's very simple. Put it on.